Wherever you are in the world, share your aviation. Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.
Cheers.
Skyhawk 5253, Quebec, Monroe Tower, wind 160 at 4, fly runway heading, runway 4, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, out to Quebec. Alright, let's do this. Loose. That's a goose. Alright, here we go. Landing strobes, feet on the floor, let's go. Beautiful.
Skyhawk 5253 Quebec, turn right direct Golf Whiskey Oscar, altitude restrictions are canceled, contact departure.
Turn right on course, and altitude restrictions are canceled, and contact departure. 53 Quebec, see you. Monroe departure, Skyhawk 5253 Quebec, direct to Greenwood at 900.
Skyhawk 5253 Quebec, Monroe departure, radar contact, proceed on course and cancel altitude restrictions.
Proceed on course and cancel restrictions, South of Quebec. Direct track, 58.
November 1202 Juliet Center. November 1202 Juliet Center. November 661 Mike Charlie Center.
So go ahead.
661 Mike Charlie, do you have a moment you can relay to an aircraft for me?
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you. November 1 Mike Charlie, could you advise November 1202 Juliet, I will say again November 1202 Juliet, just to monitor this frequency. I hear him just fine, but it's just an area of bad communication. So just have November 02 Juliet monitor this frequency.
So welcome.
November 1202 Juliet, I'm relaying a message to you from center to monitor this frequency. Do you read?
Yes, sir, I got you. I tried to get them. I normally am not able to pick them up until I got about another 10 or 15 miles. But Memphis Center 1202 Juliet's with you at 12,000, or with you at 7,500.
November 1 Mike Charlie, I do hear that aircraft, I just don't think he can hear me respond. Number 1 Mike Charlie, just again have him listen to this frequency, and if you want to give him the Little Rock altimeter, it's 3014.
Alright, 1202 Juliet, Little Rock frequency is 3014, and center can hear you, you just can't hear them.
Alright, that's good. I'll stay at this frequency, and then they'll pick me up here another 10 or 15. I appreciate your help. 1202 Juliet.
Why is he yelling?
Tower 661 Mike Charlie, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
FedEx 817, contact Memphis approach, 119.1.
Fricker. This wind sucks. 737's down there. Shut up. There we go. Come on. There we go. Wow. Effed up planes.
Wherever you are in the world, share your aviation. Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.